Good morning and welcome to today's AI news. Central banks and financial institutions, including the Bank of England and IMF, are sounding the alarm over unsustainable bubble-like behavior in AI stock valuations. Will this speculative fever end in a crash? And the race for workplace dominance heats up as Google unveils Gemini Enterprise, a comprehensive platform designed to deploy AI agents across every desk in a business. Is this the end of traditional software interfaces? Also, not to be outdone by Google, Amazon Web Services has launched Amazon QuickSuite, so an agentic AI framework designed to help employees with their daily tasks. How will these competing visions for the AI workplace differ? Plus, Sora's record-breaking downloads, a new AI rival's massive funding, Nvidia's stock soars, the Nvidia-backed automation boom, AI demand boosts TSMC profits, Intel's first true AI PC agentic AI goes corporate, Big Tech's AI infrastructure race. All this and more on a Friday, October 10th, 2025 edition of AI in the AM. Let's go. A growing chorus of financial leaders and institutions is issuing stark warnings about a potential AI market bubble, drawing parallels to the dot-com crash. The Bank of England and the International Monetary Fund have both highlighted the risk of a sharp correction if market sentiment sours, fueled by circular investment schemes where AI companies invest heavily in each other's hardware and services, inflating valuations. Analysts point to the massive rapid influx of capital and soaring stock prices of companies like Nvidia as evidence of market exuberance that may not be backed by immediate profitability, while some, like Jensen Huang, argue that growth is sustained by real demand for a new industrial revolution. Regulators worry that the intricate web of investments could lead to systemic risk, leaving the market vulnerable to a sudden and severe downturn. Shifting focus, this boom in investment is powering the development of more sophisticated AI systems for the workplace. A new front has opened in the AI wars, focused squarely on the enterprise. Google Cloud has officially launched Gemini Enterprise, a platform designed to put an AI agent on every desk, aiming to automate workflows and provide intelligent assistance across its entire suite of applications. This move represents a strategic shift from consumer-facing chatbots to powerful, integrated business tools that can autonomously manage tasks, analyze data, and streamline operations. The announcements signal a massive push to make agentic AI the new standard for corporate productivity, directly challenging Microsoft's Copilot. Not to be outdone, Google's main rival in the cloud space is also making a major push into agentic AI for the enterprise. Amazon is re-energizing its push into the enterprise AI space with the launch of Amazon QuickSuite, an agentic AI platform running on AWS. The new suite is designed to serve as an intelligent assistant for workers, automating business workflows and simplifying complex tasks. This move positions Amazon in a head-to-head battle with Google's Gemini Enterprise and Microsoft's Copilot. As the three cloud giants vie to define the future of corporate productivity, QuickSuite aims to differentiate itself by offering a secure, lower-cost alternative that is deeply integrated with the broad ecosystem of AWS services that many businesses already rely on, while the cloud giants battle for enterprise dominance. The race for consumer-facing generative media is also heating up as the viral hype surrounding OpenAI's text-to-video model has translated into staggering adoption rates. The new Sora app reportedly hit 1 million downloads in less than 5 days, a milestone that took its revolutionary sibling ChatGPT nearly a week to achieve. This rapid uptake underscores the immense public fascination with generative video technology. Even as the app remains however, its popularity has a downside, with numerous unauthorized Sora copycat apps flooding Apple's App Store, attempting to capitalize on the excitement. The massive interest highlights a clear consumer demand for easy-to-use high-quality AI video tools, putting pressure on OpenAI to accelerate its public rollout. Relatedly, this success may be why massive new investments into the generative AI space keeps occurring as a new major players enter the frontier AI race. Reflection AI, a startup positioning itself as an American rival to China's DeepSeek, has successfully raised $2 billion in a new funding round, with backing from Nvidia. The massive capital injection brings the company's total valuation to an impressive $8 billion. The company aims to develop powerful open-source AI models, challenging the dominance of established labs like OpenAI and Anthropicus. Funding round is one of the largest for a new AI venture this year and signals strong investor confidence in the need for more competition and diversity in the development of large-scale AI systems. This funding highlights the critical role of hardware providers like Nvidia, who are also seeing record market performances. Nvidia's market dominance continues to strengthen, with its stock price hitting an all-time high this week. The surge was fueled by news that the US government has approved the export of several $1 billion in high-end AI chips to G42, an AI firm in the United Arab Emirates. This landmark approval signals a strategic move by the US to arm its allies in the Middle East with cutting-edge technology, potentially as a counterweight to Chinese influence. The deal solidifies Nvidia's position as the indispensable hardware provider for nations building sovereign AI capabilities. Following the news, Cantor Fitzgerald raised its price target for the stock to a street-high $300, predicting a multi-trillion-dollar AI infrastructure build-out that will continue to drive demand for Nvidia's powerful GPUs. This hardware boom is enabling a new generation of software automation startups that are also attracting significant investment, as Berlin-based N8N, a startup specializing in a low-code platform for AI agent orchestration, has successfully closed a $180 million Series C funding round. The investment, called by Axel and including funds from Nvidia's venture arm, skyrockets the company's valuation to $2.5 billion. N8N's platform enables developers and tech-savvy business users to connect various applications and build complex, automated workflows powered by AI agents, a critical function as businesses look to integrate AI into their operations. This significant funding highlights the immense investor appetite for tools that simplify the deployment and management of AI, positioning N8N as a key player in the rapidly expanding AI automation and orchestration market. Shifting focus to hardware, the chips powering these platforms are also a source of major news. TSMC Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Co., the world's largest contract chip maker, has posted impressive third-quarter results, with revenue climbing to $32.5 billion. This figure surpasses market forecasts, driven by the insatiable global appetite for the high-performance chips that power AI data centers and applications. As the primary manufacturer for companies like Nvidia and AMD, TSMC is a key beneficiary of the AI boom. The strong performance underscores the critical role the company plays in the global technology supply chain and suggests that demand for cutting-edge semiconductors shows no signs of slowing down, even amid broader economic uncertainties. While TSMC dominates the high-end manufacturing space, other chip giants are focused on bringing AI directly to personal computers, as Intel is staking its claim in the era of the AI PC with the announcement of its Panther Lake architecture. This new platform, the first to be built on the company's advanced 188 process node, is designed specifically to handle the demands of on-device artificial intelligence. Intel says Panther Lake will deliver significant performance per watt improvements and features a powerful integrated neural processing unit (NPU) to accelerate AI tasks directly on laptops and desktops, reducing reliance on the cloud. The launch represents a critical milestone in Intel's turnaround strategy in its effort to compete with rivals like AMD, Qualcomm, and Apple, all of which are aggressively pushing their own silicon for the next generation of AI-powered personal computing. While Intel focuses on the PC, legacy enterprise players like IBM are deploying AI to improve core business operations, as S&P Global, a leading provider of financial information and analytics, is deepening its collaboration with IBM to integrate advanced agentic AI into its core business operations. The partnership will leverage IBM's AI technology, including its new watsonx platform, to build and deploy intelligent agents capable of automating complex tasks, enhancing data analysis, and improving operational efficiency across the enterprise. This move signifies a major investment in AI by one of the world's most critical financial data firms, aiming to not only streamline internal processes but also to develop more sophisticated AI-driven products for its clients. This enterprise adoption is part of a wider trend of massive investment in the underlying data center infrastructure. The insatiable demand for AI computation is fueling a construction and innovation boom in data center infrastructure. On the investment front, Google has announced a massive €5 billion plan to expand its data center facilities in Belgium, a move aimed at bolstering its capacity to power its growing suite of AI services and creating 300 new jobs. This capital outlay reflects a broader industry trend of spending billions to build out the physical backbone of AI at the technology level. This new infrastructure requires specialized hardware. Networking giant Cisco has made a major play, unveiling its next-generation Silicon One chip and new routing systems. This hardware is designed to efficiently connect vast, distributed clusters of AI processors, a critical need as AI models become larger and more powerful. Together, these developments show a two-pronged approach to building the future of AI: massive capital investment in facilities and deep technological innovation in the hardware that powers them. That about wraps it up for this Friday, October 10th, 2025. Be sure to follow and subscribe and have a good weekend.